Hare Krishna, revealing Bhagavad Gita as it is. Do we want to know who is Supreme Lord Bhagavan? Let us discover from chapter 2, verse 2.2. Understand from insights of Srila Prabhupada. At your service, Swarup Krishna Das, paying respectful obeisances to my spiritual master. Feeling grateful you have selected this Gita series. Please bless me. Listen to the video till the end and freely share this. Hare Krishna. Bhagavad Gita verse 2.2 starts with Sri Bhagavan Vacha, translation by Srila Prabhupada. The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, Bhakti Vedanta purport. Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Krishna and the Supreme Personality of Godhead are identical. Therefore, Lord Krishna is referred to as Bhagavan throughout the Gita. Bhagavan is the ultimate in the absolute truth. The absolute truth is realized in three phases of understanding, namely Brahman or the impersonal all-pervasive spirit, Paramatma or the localized aspect of the Supreme within the heart of all living entities, and Bhagavan or the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Krishna. In the Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 1, Chapter 2, Verse 11, this conception of the Absolute Truth is explained thus. Vadanti tat tattvavidas tattvam yajnanam advayam brahmeti paramatmeti bhagavaniti sabdayate. The absolute truth is realized in three phases of understanding by the knower of the absolute truth, and all of them are identical. Such phases of the absolute truth expressed as Brahman, Paramatma and Bhagavan. These three divine aspects can be explained by the example of the sun, which also has three different aspects, namely the sun's shine, the sun's surface, and the sun planet itself. One who studies the sunshine only is the preliminary student. One who understands the sun's surface is further advanced, and one who can enter into the sun planet is the highest. Three phases of God realization. Ordinary students who are satisfied by simply understanding the sunshine, its universal pervasiveness, and the glaring effulgence of its impersonal nature may be compared to those who can realize only the Brahman feature of the absolute truth. The student who has advanced still further can know the sun disk, which is compared to the knowledge of the Paramatma feature of the absolute truth. And the student who can enter into the heart of the sun planet is compared to those who realize the personal features, the supreme absolute truth. Therefore, the bhaktas or the transcendentalists who have realized the Bhagavan feature of the absolute truth are the topmost transcendentalists. Although all students who are engaged in the study of the absolute truth are engaged in the same subject matter. The sunshine, the sun disk, and the inner affairs of the sun planet cannot be separated from one another, and yet the students of the three different phases are not in the same category. Definition of Bhagavan. The Sanskrit word Bhagavan is explained by the great authority Parashara Muni, the father of Vyasadeva. Aishwarasya samagrasya viryasya yashashah sriya jnana vairagyayoschaiva sannam bhaga itingana. Vishnu Puran 6.5.47. The Supreme Personality who possesses all riches, Aishwarya, all strength, Virya, all fame, Yasha, all beauty, Sri, all knowledge, Jnana, and all renunciation, Vairagya, is called Bhagavan. There are many persons who are very rich, very powerful, very beautiful, very famous, very learned, and very much detached, but no one can claim that he possesses all riches, all strength, etc. entirely. Only Krishna can claim this because he is the supreme personality of Godhead. No living entity, including Brahma, Lord Shiva, or Narayana, can possess opulences as fully as Krishna. It is concluded in the Brahma Samhita by Lord Brahma himself that Lord Krishna is the supreme personality of Godhead. No one is equal to or above him. He is the primeval Lord or Bhagavan, known as Govinda, and he is the supreme cause of all causes. ईश्वरा परमा कृष्ण सच्चिदानंद विग्रह अनादिरादिर गोविंद सर्व कारण कारणम. Brahma Samhita 5.1. There are many personalities possessing the qualities of Bhagavan, but Krishna is the supreme because none can excel him. He is the supreme person and his body is eternal, full of knowledge and bliss. He is the primeval Lord Govinda and the cause of all causes. Lord Krishna is addressed as Govinda because Krishna is the object of all pleasures for cows and senses. In the Srimad Bhagavatam also there is a list of many incarnations of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, but Krishna is described as the original personality of Godhead from whom many incarnations and personalities of Godhead expand. एते चांसा कला पुंसा कृष्णस्तु भगवान स्वयं इंद्रारी व्याकुलम लोकम मृदयन्ति युगे युगे. श्रीमद् भागवतम Canto 1 Chapter 3 Verse 28. All the lists of the incarnations of Godhead submitted herewith are either plenary expansions or parts of the plenary expansions of the Supreme Godhead. But Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead himself. Learning and application. Krishna is the original Supreme Personality of Godhead, the absolute truth, the source of both the Super Soul and the impersonal Brahman. Lord Krishna is the speaker of Bhagavad Gita. He is mentioned on every page of Bhagavad Gita as the Supreme Personality of Godhead Bhagavan. The Lord himself establishes himself as the Supreme Personality of Godhead in the Bhagavad Gita. Therefore, we should take Bhagavad Gita as it is, directed by the personality of Godhead himself. Hare Krishna. Please feel free to contact Swarup Krishnadas at email ID and WhatsApp number provided below. You can press the like button, share the video, provide feedback through comments, even ask questions, subscribe to the channel and check the other videos in the series. You can look forward to more such videos. Do press the like button icon for notification. Hare Krishna.